This is a plant lover's garden, a tropical plant lover's garden. Starting off at the patio. I'm moving into some of the beds with lobster claw, Heliconia sitocorum, very pretty. Some other indoor plants that you can use together very effectively is Freesia splendens on the right, the striped plant with Aglonema crispum on the left. In the indigenous garden, the sunbird bush, very hardy, likes full sun or semi-shade. Lovely orange flowers, Metarungia. Here's some mixed planting on the patio. Formium tenax, the main feature plant here. Some more bromeliads, Neregelia Raphael, underplanting of Pilia depressa, which is very pretty growing underneath them. And another indigenous shrub is Bratispolia, Phyllis van Heerden. Another sub-shrub I use a lot is Barleria albustulata, silver stars, very pretty. What a typical tropical garden looks like. Aralias, bamboo palms, Ficus longifolia. More bromeliads, Neregelia tricolor, very pretty. Crotons, colourful crotons, very hardy. Select the hybrids. One of my favourite ferns, Davallia Fijiensis plumosa, feathery fern. Close-up of some Acma flowers, very pretty, purple, Acma gamosepala. Philodendron Xanadu is a firm favourite. Falls out nicely in semi-shade and shade areas. Here's another shot of Formium tenax with underplanting of Stachys lanata. There's another Formium williamsi, very pretty, behind the bromeliads, used as a form plant. This is your leopard orchid, Ancelia gigantica. Some more shots of island bed in the patio, crotons, bromeliads, and Dracaena marginata. I like to use pseudoranthemums as a colourful subshrub. This one is Pseudoranthemum aureum. Grasses are also nice to incorporate. Miscanthus zebrana, also known as zebra grass. Succulents are popular. These are in the hotter areas. This is Kleinia galpini, or coral plants. Back to semi-shade, some lovely tropicals. Calathea zebrana, interplanted with bronze. One of my favourite palms, Chamadora microspadix, filling out nicely with Dracaena on the left. Very hardy underplanting of Neregelia spectabilis, fingernail plant. Another subshrub, Cardinal's Guard, Odontonema stricta, very hardy and free flowering. The large tree in the background, tropical tree, Ficus lyrata, very popular now. Feature planting of ornamental pineapple, Ananus comosum variegatum. Another filler shrub you can use, Murraya paniculata, with pretty white flowers, very dense growing with fine foliage. This is the carrot fern. I still have to plant it. Very pretty with fine fronds. This is the entrance. Bromeliads on the left, low clustered. Coming up the stairs, A range of tropical plants, cardinal's guard with the red flowers. Coming up to the carrots fern, fingernail bromeliads, crotons, Maria paniculata. A little bit taller tree layer with Ficus laurata, very popular nowadays. Also easily grown by leaf bud cuttings. Moving up the stairs, under planting of Calathea zebrana, interplanted with bromeliads. Neurogelias, some fancier neurogelias. Focal points of dracaenas. Some fancy neurogelias. Neurogelia carolinea. Ananus commosum variegatum. Neurogelia Raphael. Under planting of Pilia depressa. Coming up to the patio now, past the wild banana trees. Some island planting here. Various plants, bottle palms. Moving around the garden now. Polycis, lobster claw heliconia, very pretty. Chocolate bush in the background. Long-leaved fig, Ficus longifolia. Philodendron xanadu. Foxtail palms. Philodendron saloom, split-leaf philodendron. Indigenous tree in the background, filling out there nicely, Oxyanthus pyriformis. Panning back a little bit so you can see the lawn and the row of indigenous trees growing against the wall. The forest toad tree is the first one we looked at. Second one is river indigo, filling out nicely now. Just finished flowering. Little water feature. Indigenous flowering tree, Downbolia, June soapberry. A few exotics by the water feature. Indigenous section here with Agapanthus, Rutispolia, Phyllis van Heerden, very pretty. Next to it, the sunbird bush, Metarungia. Natal laburnum with a higher layer. And finishing off, Bauhinia tomentosa. Coming back to the patio quickly. Looking around at some of the patio planting again. Bamboo palms, syngoniums, philodendron, chamadoras.